Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to plant a green onion. Growing your own green onions at home is incredibly rewarding and surprisingly simple, whether you're starting from seeds or regrowing them from kitchen scraps. We'll go over everything you need to know, from selecting the right materials to the easy steps for planting and caring for your new plants. Get ready to enjoy fresh, flavorful green onions right from your garden or windowsill. Before we get our hands dirty, let's gather our supplies. You'll need healthy green onion bases with roots or some good quality seeds. A small pot or container with drainage holes is essential to prevent waterlogging. Fill it with a well-draining potting mix, which provides the perfect environment for root development. Finally, pick a sunny spot in your home or garden where your green onions can thrive with at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. Now for the fun part, planting. If using scraps, simply place the root end into the soil, covering it lightly. For seeds, sow them about 1/4 of an inch deep. Gently pat the soil around them. After planting, give your green onions a good drink of water to help settle the soil and kickstart growth. Remember, consistent moisture is key, but avoid overwatering. Soon, you'll see new green shoots emerging. Caring for your green onions is straightforward. Keep the soil consistently moist, but never soggy, to encourage healthy growth. You might consider a light feeding with a balanced liquid fertilizer every few weeks for an extra boost. When it's time to harvest, simply snip off the green tops about 1 inch above the soil line. They will regrow, providing you with a continuous supply of fresh, delicious green onions for many meals to come. Enjoy your homegrown bounty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.